In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the new Clickup board view. Whether you're a seasoned Clickup user or just getting started, following these steps will ensure your board view is set up just right to meet your needs. Let's dive straight into it and make your workflow as smooth as possible. First, head over to the Clickup website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to clickup.com. Once there, locate the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. When you've reached the login page, you'll see a variety of options to sign in. If you prefer a quick login method, you can click on the Sign In with Google option. This option saves you time by linking your Clickup account to your Google credentials. By doing this, you won't need to repeatedly enter passwords, and it simplifies the login process. Now that you've chosen to sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to pick the one linked to your Clickup workspace. This step ensures you have access to all your previously saved tasks and projects. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Clickup dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Your task now is to locate the board option. This can typically be found in the side navigation panel. Go ahead and click on board to enter the board view that we'll be customizing today. With the board view in front of you, it's time to make some tweaks. Click on the Customize button. This action will open up several options that allow you to modify how your board looks and functions. To truly tailor this experience to your liking, we'll need to adjust the layout options next. Within the Customize menu, click on Layout Options. This is where you're given control over the various elements of your board view. Here's the crucial part: make sure that the Stack Fields option is enabled. This setting will be the backbone of the board view we create, ensuring that your elements are neatly organized and easy to manage. Everything else should be disabled, leaving Stack Fields as the only enabled feature. By disabling other features, you're minimizing potential distractions and focusing solely on the fields that matter most for your workflow. This clean and efficient setup allows you to concentrate on what truly needs your attention. And there you have it, a streamlined board view setup in Clickup, optimized for productivity and clarity. By following these steps precisely, you've ensured that your board is both functional and tailored to your unique workflow needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.